Hey, my name is Nina and I love watercolor. And it is my passion to teach anybody who wants to learn how to paint in watercolor to paint in watercolor. So today, this is what we're going to be working on. I wanted to share a painting teaching you how to paint glass and reflections, and that is exactly what we're going to do in here. But I wanted to keep it relatively simple. That's why I chose this image to do, because we're only doing a portion of the glass, but we still have some of the stem in there, and that part is a lot of fun to do. You're going to learn a ton in just this stem alone. So what we're going to do is start with a yellow wash in our wine. Well, no, I take that back. We're going to start with the stem. That is the process that I started with. We'll start with the stem. Then we'll come up here and we'll do the glass part, the clear part of the glass. Then we'll focus on the wine. So what I like to do when I'm teaching is to take a little section at a time and eat it a bite at a time. We'll focus on one thing. When we get that done, we'll move on to the next. I don't want this to be confusing or frustrating for you. I'm a very detailed person and I will explain everything that I'm doing to this painting, why I'm doing it, how I'm doing it, and I'm even going to show you how to mix your colors, what colors to use, and why we're doing what we're doing. Because when I first started learning to paint, I didn't find anyone who I could learn from. So when I made a mistake, and I do make a couple mistakes in this painting, for those artists I was watching on YouTube and on Pinterest, you only got to see the pretty parts of the painting. You never saw the mistakes. So I'm going to let you see the couple of mistakes that I make here, and then I'm going to show you how to fix it. So when you're painting on your own, you'll know how to fix it too, and you won't be frustrated and toss your painting in the trash. I have so many that I've thrown away way back in the beginning that if I'd only had someone like me who said, okay, I made a boo-boo here, here's what I'm going to do to fix it, I would have probably kept those paintings because I would have been able to fix my mistakes. But anyway, we're not focusing on mistakes today. We are focusing on wine and layering and lifting, and I'm going to teach you how to do it all. So I hope that you will come along and have a good time and paint this wine. And that rhymed. So let's get going.